Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at Creatio CRM tutorial and review 2025, a full in-depth tutorial. So guys, you're looking for an all-in-one CRM that helps with sales, marketing, and service. In this video, I'll give you a full tutorial and review of the Creatio CRM in 2025, showing you how it works, key features, and whether it's right for your business. All right, so let's get into it. Your first step would be to open up your browser, log on to creatio.com. You can find the Creatio website here. It says agentic CRM and workflow platform with no code and AI at its core. So it's a no code platform and it also uses AI to kind of like improve your workflow. Now, manage all customer and operational workflows with no code and AI. We have Creatio marketing, Creatio sales, and service. You get to kind of like see it on your screen. If you're running ad campaigns, if you're running businesses, if you're running project management, software configuration, it's like you get to see them use the Creatio AI here as well. If you scroll through, you can find a lot more about the platform. All right, so let's get into Creatio. All you need to do is go ahead and click on Try It for free. And once you've selected Try It for free, go ahead and click on CRM Creatio. That's the AI native CRM to level up your revenue, function, and customer experience. So go ahead and click on Try It for free. And you're taken to create a free account. So go ahead and set up your business email and password, or you could sign up using Google, which is what I'm going to be doing. So go ahead and click on Google. Right. So once you're done with the first step about signing in with your Google account, you could go ahead and add your company details, your website, and your country of origin or residence, as well as your phone number, and clicking on sign up. So I'm going to be including all of this and just clicking on sign up and show you what comes in next. All right, so the next page has an animation that says Creatio Energy. So you'll be able to try fully fledged marketing, sales, and service products integrated into one no-code platform in a few moments. So they're going ahead to sign us in or sign us up for the Creatio program, and you're going to be dropped at the home page or the dashboard. So basically, it's going to look a bit like this. This is what you're going to be expecting to see: the Creatio logo here. So I'm going to be talking a bit about Creatio. So basically, it's a cloud-based CRM platform. It covers sales automation, marketing and campaigns, customer service jobs. It includes low-code tools for building custom workflows. And who is it for? Basically, small businesses, large enterprises that want to automate or want automation and flexibility. All right, so on the dashboard here, you're going to find the login option, which is your account here. You can simply log out. You're also going to find things like accounts, calendar, task, contacts, campaigns, bulk emails, leads, opportunities, orders, cases, and a knowledge base. So I guess the knowledge base is kind of like your history or something. All right, so this is the main CRM dashboard. We also have sales. If you click on this drop down for the apps, we have sales, which involves tracking your leads, opportunities, and pipelines. We have marketing, which involves email campaigns, landing pages, and lead nurturing. And we also have service, which is ticket management, support cases, and customer knowledge base. And customization. So customization is basically a drag and drop feature, which is available on your end of the Creatio platform. So you can easily customize your stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with Creatio. Your first step would be to either add a contact. You can go about by simply adding a contact. All right, so let's get started. First off, we have the basic dashboard. Total opportunity count is shown. Opportunity amount in your current month, that's $527,000. Open leads is shown as well. Uh, you can see your opportunity amount. If you click on the little info here, you get to see the opportunities you've made. I guess that's progress. And if you close this up, you can see your plan versus fact by sales manager in the current quarter. All right, so let's get up let's get started by creating contacts or making use of contacts. So with the Creatio CRM, you're giving samples when you create an account for free. You're given samples where you can simply analyze your contacts, what purpose your contact serves, the type of contacts you have, number of contacts, contacts without communication, new contacts, current month, and contacts without account, and contact by type. So whether your contact is a supplier, a contact person, a customer, or an employee, it's just basically going to show up here in this contacts by type. And then by preferred language, it's mostly US, that's the English. And you can go ahead and click on plus, that's to add and import, to simply import your contacts from either your Microsoft Excel sheet or wherever you store your contacts. Now, you can go ahead and add a contact name. You can just give them a name, a last name, and a birth date if you have access to those info. So let's just go ahead and give it a name. Once you've given it a name, you can add a last name again. And once that's done, you can leave that. And then the type of contact, what kind of person are they? Are they a contact person? Are they a customer? Are they an employee or a supplier? You can set it as employee. What kind of accounts? Select an account. So you can simply search for available accounts you can simply add them to. I believe we have Axiom, Build Technologies, Soft Systems, Durable, Factorial Services, or you can create a new account and add them there. Let's just go with what's available, like an Alpha Business, and click on Select. All right, and now you can give them a job title as a customer if you have access to that, a mobile number, an email, and let's just go ahead and click on Save. And now we have a new contact without a communication option, which means we did not add an email or a phone number. If those were added, you would, see them. Now, with the summary, you can just simply, set up how you want to view them. Uh, Basically, you can find your customers based on when they were created, all that kind of good stuff. We have this as the dashboard option. You can simply move over to a list option, and it's going to list out all your customers, their mobile numbers, their emails, and the type of customer that they are. All right. So with that out of the way, we can now simply head over to opportunities. So if you click on opportunities now, it's going to kind of like show you a list of opportunities, I guess, with your customer range. And now inside of this customer range, you get to see the stages of your business. Uh, you get to see the stages of your business if you're still contracting, if it's a presentation, if it's qualification, if your business is closed, if it's a proposal stage. You get to see the number of stages you're on. You can simply import opportunities, and you can also create new opportunities as well. If you click on the plus icon there, like I said, these are auto filled opportunities. So what kind of contact are they? You could just go ahead and set up a different contact. You could set it up with administrator. You could set it up with any other opportunity or any name. So let's just use the Creatio Web Farm Orchestrator. And then for the accounts, you can add them to an account like a tech company or something of sorts. We could use Apex Solutions for this. And then for a name, you can give the contact or the opportunity a name. And then you can now set total contract value. And then the stage, you could simply set up a stage. If it's a qualification stage, you could simply set up a qualification stage or closed one. And then you can add a description and you can click on save. And once you click on save, it's basically going to show up here in your list of opportunities. As you can see, it's done. And that's it. Now, the next thing we can try is setting up an account. Basically, you can set up an account. You can create your own account for the account analytics. You get to see the number of accounts you have, number of accounts, account without primary contact, accounts by industry, accounts by category. So just go ahead and click on the plus. And now you can enter an account name. Let's just call it and then select an account type. So a drop down, are they a competitor? Are they a contractor? Are they a customer or your company or partner? We can have them as a partner. And then what industry do they exist in? Banking, business service, construction. Let's put it in construction. And then primary contact. Your primary contact could be a person, which is Alex, the account we created. That's the primary contact. And then if they have a website or a phone number, you can simply add this and just simply click on save. And you'll find them in the number of accounts. And if you move over here and click on list, this is basically a summary. You can have it in the dashboard view or in the list view. And here we go. The new account has been added. You can see the type of account it is, the category, and the industry as well. And if you scroll a bit more, we also have bulk emails. So you can send bulk emails, you can host campaigns, you can add contacts, you can head over to task and create a task, which you would simply do. So just click on the task option here and you can click on plus. Though you do get to see other examples of, these are basically samples of task. You can set the category to do, completed, not started, all that good stuff, a subject, and then a description of the task. All right, guys. So that's how you can basically make use of Creatio. It's a wonderful platform for small business owners who are looking to expand and make use of it. The pros of this is it's an all-in-one platform for sales, marketing, and service. It has strong automation and workflow, low-code tools for custom apps. Though the cons are a learning curve, it can feel complex at times for some individuals. And then pricing may be high for very small businesses if you're getting set up. That's getting the paid option. And some advanced features require setup time. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.